Let us understand the step-by-step process of using the customizable voice support agent in Strategic ERP. Navigate to the Chanakya AI tab in the Strategic ERP homepage. Click on the Configure Customizable Voice Support Agent tab. To configure voice agent settings, you can call the inbound phone number to test the support agent. Make a note that the support agent is charged at 4 coins per minute. You can select your preferred language option from the drop-down. Click on the voice option to select your preferred support agent's voice. Input the global prompt to define how the agent should behave during the call. You can modify agent settings like voice temperature, voice speed, volume, responsiveness, interruption sensitivity, background volume and sound, enable backchannel frequency and words. Once done, click on Save and Publish. Click on History to view the past record of all the calls. Click on any call record to view a detailed analysis of the call. To upload the knowledge base for the agent, click on the Knowledge Base tab. Enter the knowledge base details for the voice agent. Using this information, the AI support agent will answer calls based on the details provided. You can also toggle the support voice agent switch next to configure agent to enable or disable the support call agent as needed. The voice support agent answer customer queries using knowledge base data. They can check ticket status and create tickets for customers with the help of AI. The process of using the customizable voice support agent is now complete. Let us understand the step-by-step process of using the customizable chat support agent in Strategic ERP. Navigate to the Chanakya AI tab on the Strategic ERP homepage. Click on Configure Customizable Chat Support Agent. To configure chat agent settings, define the Close Chat After Silence option, where the chat will automatically close if the customer remains inactive for longer than the stipulated time. You can also set the auto close message setting. Select your preferred language from the drop-down. Input the global prompt to define how the agent should behave during the chat. Enter the knowledge base details for the chat agent. Using this information, the AI support agent will answer chats based on the details provided. The chat agent will charge 0.40 coin per message. Click on History to view past chat records. Click on any chat record to view a detailed analysis of the chat. When enabled, the chat support agent will be displayed on the home screen. You can chat with the support agent regarding your ticket queries. For example, you can ask a query related to your ticket status, and the chat support agent will ask relevant follow-up questions and resolve your query instantly. You can toggle the support chat agent switch next to configure agent to enable or disable the chat support agent as required. The chat support agent answers customer queries using knowledge base data. It can check ticket status and create tickets for customers using AI. The process of using the chat support agent is now complete.